And so it is, just like you said it would be. Life goes easy on me most of the time. And so it is, the shorter story. No love, no glory, no hero in her sky. I can't take my eyes off of you. 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 I can't take my eyes. And so it is, just like you said it should be. We'll both forget the breeze most of the time. And so it is, I can't take my eyes off of you. I can't take my eyes off of you. I can't take my eyes off of you. Can't take my eyes off of you. I can't take my eyes. I can't take my mind off of you. 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 I can't take my mind. My mind. My mind. Till I find somebody.
Sel, happy birthday. Ingat lagi. Sel, happy birthday. More birthdays to come. Happy birthday.
birthday. Sana maging masaya ka sa iyong karawan. At best wishes para sa iyo. At sa pag-aaral mo, hanggang sa pag-aaral ng trabaho. Ngayong karawan ay special para sa iyo. Happy birthday, Hazel.
Hello, happy birthday, I love you.
Hi, Hazel! Happy birthday! Happy birthday, Hazel! Happy birthday, Hazel! Saan yun?
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday! I love you!
Hazel, happy birthday! Sana maging miss na kita. Kita ba si Milo, di ba? Bye, bebe! Happy birthday!
Lakasan mo!
I love you.
Ikaw!
Happy birthday, Tita Isel. I love you.
Hello, Sel! Happy birthday! Mag-aaral kang mabuti at sana mahabang taon pa yung pagsama natin. Stay happy and stay beautiful. Happy birthday!
Hello, Hazel. Happy birthday. Sana maano mo lahat yung pangarap mo, ito? Sensya na, kinakabahan ako eh. Sana makaya mo lahat ng problema mo. Alam ko may problema ka. And thank you sa mga advice. Sa pagpapahiram ng lipstick. Basta, be happy. Yun lang. I love you, friend.
Yeah, happy 18th birthday, Hazel. Love you so much, be. Wish you all the best. Sana lahat ng wish mo ngayong birthday mo matupad. Sana magtagal kayo ni Kuya Milo. Sana hindi ka magsawang tumulong sa akin pag advice, ganyan. Basta pag may problema ka, andito lang ako. Salamat sa pagiging kaibigan, ganyan. Sana magpatuloy pa yung friendship natin. Happy 18th birthday. Saka, I love you. Yun lang.
And mag-message ka kay Hazel.
Hi Hazel! Happy 18th birthday! I wish you all the best. Alam ko naman napakabuti mong tao. Saka, ikaw yung isa sa mga una kong naging close sa ating mga sa AB. Yun lang. Saka sana huwag kang magbabago. Alam ko namang marami kang pangarap sa buhay. Happy birthday!
Hi Hazel! Happy 18th birthday! Wish you all the best! Good health! Sana lumaki tayo, di ba? Para masaya. Tapos huwag kang magbabago. Stay busy, stay nice, stay sweet. Wala mo lang kung ibibigay sa'yo kundi yung long-lasting friendship. Happy birthday Hazel! Love you!
Hi Hazel! Happy birthday! 18 ka na. Sana kung ano ka dati, ganun ka pa rin ngayon. Medyo konting pinis na lang, kagaya din na sinabi ko kay Gwen. Pinis-pinis ng konti para dalagan-dalaga na. And continue to inspire others through your smile. And happy birthday din. Bye-bye. BTR talaga.
Hello. Happy birthday. At saka stay pretty. Tsaka din lang. Happy birthday mo. Ano pa bang masasabi ko kay Hazel? Mataba ka, Hazel. Joke ba? Sige na, okay lang yan. Ganda ka naman kahit payat ka. Okay.
Happy 18th birthday na utang pa ako nabubulol. Ayan. Keep it up. Alam ko naman talented ka, pretty. Just like me. Echos. Happy birthday, happy bebe!
Hello, baby. Alam ko, transfer lang ako from journalism. Tapos, hindi niyo ako nakasama from first year. Pero gusto kong patunayan na I'm part of being you. I'm part ako ng buhay niyo. Thank you sa friendship, sa kwentuhan, sa chika, sa minsang tampuhan. Pero love kita, alam mo yan. Ituloy ang Boracay kung mapupush o kaya yung banda-banda. I love you.
Happy birthday, Hazel.
wish you happiness. Sana huwag kang magbabago. Lagi kang mag-English. Lagi ka rin mali. Tapos, sana yung friendship natin mag-continue. Sana maging tunay na babae ka rin. More boyfriends, more happiness to come. Yun lang. Thank you.
Happy birthday, Aisel! Sana masaya ka ngayong 18th birthday mo. Alagaan mo palagi yung sarili mo. More birthdays to come. And I'm always here.
Aisel, happy birthday. Okay lang. Happy birthday. Love you. Aisel, happy birthday. Aisel, happy birthday. Hello, Aisel, happy birthday. Happy 18th birthday. Sana maraming birthday pang dumating sa'yo. Yun lang.
Aisel, happy birthday. Sana magkatapos ka ng pag-aaral mo. Happy birthday ulit.
Hey, Aisel, happy birthday. Sana marami pang birthday ang sapitin mo. Love you.
Aisel, happy birthday. Sana humaba pa ang maraming taon sa iyo. At sana naman matapos mo ang iyong 4th year. Masaya ka. Sana masaya ka, ha? Ayos na.
Sakto bubukol dito.
Happy birthday, Aisel. Happy 18th birthday. Sana bago ka na, kung masyadong masugit. Okay na ba?
Happy birthday. By the way, it's me, John Lloyd. It's John Lloyd. Gusto nyo nang batigin ng happy birthday. Check on your post today. And always, of course. Yeah, have a big one. Have a big celebration. Enjoy. Happy birthday.
This is Piolo. I'd just like to greet you happy birthday. God bless you. Hope to see you.
Lumay, happy birthday. 18 ka na. 9 years na lang agwat ko sa'yo. 27 lang ako eh. Ayun. Sana naging masaya ka sa video presentation na to. Ayaw mo ng material na bagay. Ng gift ko. Edi effort na lang. Ayun. Naging tatandaan. Lagi lang nandito para sa'yo. Mahal na mahal kita.